Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Happy New Year. Oh my god, it's 2019 and I hope that it started well for you, and even if it didn't, everything is gonna be okay. It's just the beginning of the year. If you're new to my channel, please be sure to subscribe and like, and feel free to comment down below. Tell me your thoughts, ask me a question if you have any, and thank you so much. So I attended a really cool class with denniskaruri, if you know who Dennis is, and I really needed to learn some few stuff. Just want to create a look from whatever I learned, and just to share with you some tips. Or I've got some new stuff. I've got some like this one, Joanna K cosmetic. She's a really amazing YouTuber. She has a channel as well, Joanna K, if you know her, and if you don't, go check her out. And Instagram, she's still Joanna Kinothia, Facebook Joanna Kinothia. So she has some few stuff that she has a makeup line. So I just got a lipstick and eyeshadow palette that I want to try. Look how cool this artwork is. So dope, right? And look at this. This is so cool. And this lipstick shade, it's a nude color. It's called Fearless. You know I love nudes. If you've seen my videos, I apply a lot of nude lipsticks. So, and also I have a blush which is new, and I have this Huddah eyeliner. It's new also. So I'm gonna do a look with the new stuff that I've got. So first of all, before you put on a primer, just make sure you moisturize. Your face is moisturized and your lips as well. So I'm gonna use my Master Prime Maybelline primer, and I'll prime my face. So I'm gonna brush my eyebrows. And what we did yesterday and what I learned is you always start from here. You see here? So when you start from there, and then you go and draw the up parts and the top, like it has already created a shape for you. So you just go in. So after that, I'm gonna go with my concealer, and I'm using this flat brush. And then let's see. So what you do, you start from here. Going down. You first of all, you start from the outer part because it's easier taking care of this side than this part. And then this part you just put a little bit. And then I'm going in with my finger, and I'm just gonna blend that to make sure I don't have any harsh lines. And then I have a new concealer that Dennis was using on me yesterday. It's called Chestnut. It's really good and he recommended it for me, so I got it. I'm gonna use that on top. So the next step I'm gonna do is just conceal. And then today I'm not using a sponge, but I'm gonna use this foundation brush to blend. So when I'm done with that, I'm going with my foundation, which is Maybelline. I still have this one. So because I'm going to contour, I'm not putting foundation in this part. For contouring, I'm gonna use this Chestnut concealer still, and and then with my brush, I'll just blend this up. What I'm gonna do is use my banana powder. I've just said I'm doing exactly what Dennis did. So with my powder and my setting powder, I'm just putting this setting powder on top of my powder just a little bit so I can set, and then I can do my eyeshadow. You're setting this part. I am going to leave the rest the way it did, just because I want to apply my eyeshadow, and if it falls, it can fall here because I'm still gonna brush it off. It will not affect the rest of my face. So for the eyeshadow, I said I'm using this new Joanna palette. I'm gonna use Smoky, Blonde, and Feminist. So I'm using the fluffy brush, and this is what I do. This is what he did, and he recommended that you just like staple it until you get the shade you want, and you can continue building it up. So, and then now I'm gonna use the Smoky, the darker shade, and I'm still using the same brush. And this darker shade, I'm just stapling it there. I'm just stapling it up to there, so you can get that look. But I feel like Joanna really worked hard for this palette because it's so pigmented, like honestly. So when I'm done, what I can do is just take like a fluffy brush and just blend like that part. And then the next thing I want to do is use my flat brush and just a little bit of concealer, kidogo tu, kidogo. Put that on my brush and just go in for the next color, because we want the next color to pop. So natumia kidogo to just use a little bit. Then now for the Feminist green. Oh my god, see how pigmented that is. You use your finger and put that. I'm gonna go in with this just to blend that out. For mascara, I'm using my favorite, Bare Minerals. So I'm going to do the lower parts, and then I'll just use this brush for the lower part, and I'm going to mix the orange and the smoky, the bold and the smoky. let me exchange the brushes to this one. I didn't feel like that one was really working. So for the eyeliner, you start from down here and then you go up. Let me see. I want to use the glow getter to apply it to my tear duct, and I'm gonna use this brush. And then I'm going to put it here. Apply my blush. I got this one from Iman Salal, if you know who Iman is. She has a beauty school, and I got these lashes from her as well, but I'm not applying lashes. I just said I'm recreating a look that I learned. I think I'm gonna use this one, the darker one. You see me using eyeshadows to highlight, so I'm just gonna use the glow getter to highlight with. And then for my nose, Dennis said, like, you start here at the tip of your nose. I think I do this. And for your nose, it's just good to use your finger. And then you go here. So we're going to blend all this up, just to make sure it don't look crazy. So lastly, let me do my lips, and I'm using Fearless from Joanna. So I'm done. So lastly, I'm just setting. And this is the final look. So I hope this look is good, and I hope you like it. So just tell me your thoughts down below in the comment section. I love you guys. See you in my next video. Bye.